Let's say you're done creating and designing your presentation in maybe PowerPoint or Google Slides. You can give a presentation in Google Meet. And so in this video, you are going to learn how to present in a Google Meet. First things, let's create a meeting. We're going to create a new meeting, an instant one. So we just create this meeting right now. When it opens here, you have the ability to invite people or add other people to this chat. That's what we're going to do here. We're going to invite someone in this chat. And I'm going to invite my friend, modern value, like that, which is myself. Just send this invitation to me. Then I'm going to open my browser so I can see this invitation that I've sent to myself. This new email coming from Digital Income Skills. When I open this, I have this join button. I have to join the call, so I just click there. It's going to take me to a page where I have to prepare and choose how you want to join the presentation. On this window, this is where you choose how you want to join the meeting. You can choose to join with the microphone on and also the camera on. If you don't want to show your face, this should be red like this. This means that it's off. If you want to join in with the microphone off, also you can just click on this to turn it off. And this is helpful in cases where you have a background noise to not disturb other people in the meeting. You just turn this off. If you are going to be speaking and giving a presentation, this should be on. If you have to give a presentation and also show your face, you have to turn also the camera on. But here you have two buttons. You can just join the meeting, as usual, but here you are joining as a presenter. You can join the meeting as a presenter, and what this does, when you click on the present, it's going to open a window with a dialog box showing you to choose which window you would want to share. You have different options and choices to make before you give your presentation. You have to choose if you want to share the Microsoft Edge tab, which means any of these two tabs that are here. But also you have the ability to choose a window, which is any of these windows that are opened right now. And also we have the entire screen option. If you choose this one, the screen is going to be recorded, the entire screen. For this example, we're going to use the entire screen option. So this has to be selected. Then also you have to click on it here to just select it and just click on share. Okay, so these pop-up boxes, just click on got it. And here, this is recording the screen. Then open the window tab that has the presentation that you want to give. In our case, it's this one. I'm going to start from the first slide. Then you just click on the slideshow. When you click here, now you are in the presentation mode. And so the screen is being recorded and people in this presentation are seeing whatever is being, whatever is being said by the one who is giving a presentation here. But in my case, I'm just a listener and this guy is giving a presentation. When I also come down here, I can see the name of the person who is giving a presentation right now. It's going to show me modern value is presenting. So if I also want to raise a hand, maybe I want to have a question, I can do that. Remember all these things we talked about earlier in other videos. People in this meeting are going to watch this presentation on their own screens, whereas the presenter is presenting and talking and doing all his things here. People are going to listen to what this person is talking about, and so you can change from different slides here and talk about this topic. People on the other side will be listening to what you as a presenter you are saying. When you're done presenting, another person also can give a presentation. For instance, here you can just click on this button here, present now. Here you see this window that allows you to choose the window you want to show. Maybe it's a window, or maybe the entire screen, or maybe just a tab. And so here you can also do the same. When you start sharing this screen, for instance, here you can see that Digital Income Skills now is presenting. Now, if you are not the first person who is going to give a presentation, instead of you clicking on the present, you are just going to join the presentation. When you join the presentation here, you're going to see this screen here. You're going to see the person who is giving a presentation. Right now it's Digital Income Skills. You're going to see the person who is giving a presentation. And so when this guy finishes to give a presentation, for instance, here, let's just come here and stop the presentation. You can continue to give a presentation. What you can do here is you can just click on this present now, and it's going to open a similar window where you can choose the window you want to share with the people in this meeting. So you just choose the window you want to share, then share it. You can come here and just click on the slideshow, and you can start giving your presentation just like that. And now people in this meeting are also going to see what you are sharing here. They will see the screen just like that. So here you have the video tiles of the people who are in the meeting, and here it's saying modern value is presenting. You're going to see their face, but also the screen. You can also take over a presentation. So for instance, right now I'm in the digital income skills window. When I click on this modern value presenting button, it's going to show me this dialog box where I can choose to share. Now this will let me take over from modern value. So when I click on share now, it's also going to show me the window I want to share. So I can choose which window I want to share. Maybe it's this one. If I select that, I can share this window now in my presentation. And just like that, we'll see my presentation loading here, like so. I can start giving a presentation, but this one is now mute. This is the power of Google Meet. You can do so many wonderful things with this. You can share information with friends, siblings, or just co-workers. And this software, this tool is just powerful. Use it wisely and you will become something else. Then when you're done, you can also stop sharing here. Just click on stop sharing and then everything comes back to normal. And here it's just dismiss this. And just like that, you can also stop sharing this. And so we are just chatters now. When you're done giving presentations, you can close the windows and finish the presentations. Then here you can just say final words to each other, saying goodbye and also other things. And you can just click on the leave call, and this is going to stop the presentation just like that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video, share it, and also subscribe to this channel. Just motivate me to create even more good videos for you. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.